Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Kanaka, gynecologist from Prakriya Hospital. And today I wanted to discuss with you regarding pre-pregnancy counseling. What is pre-pregnancy counseling, you might be wondering. That is consultation with a gynecologist before planning for a pregnancy to ensure mental and physical well-being of the mother so that the pregnancy outcome goes smooth. Why it is important? It's just like wearing a seat belt before you drive a car, or wearing a helmet before going for a bike ride. It helps in preventing certain complications during pregnancy and optimize the maternal and fetal outcome. Because after all, every mother thinks about giving best to the baby. So if you are healthy, you can nurture your baby well inside your womb so that the baby will come healthy. So you might be wondering what will be taken care during that counseling session. First, detailed history will be taken regarding the previous any history of miscarriages, any medical illness, and regarding the lifestyle habits like smoking, alcoholism, and your ideal height, weight, and BMI. What is actually there? Are you obese or you are underweight? That can be corrected. And you will be ordered certain blood tests to know about the general health. So that certain risk factors, if we identify before, we can modify them and we can give you better outcome in the pregnancy. Normally, general blood tests asked during the pre-pregnancy checkup is hemoglobin. If you are anemic, it will be corrected. We will check for the thyroid level and we will correct it if it is abnormal. And we will check for the HbA1c, the 3 months blood sugar average, so that if it is abnormal, we can treat the diabetes status. And you will be checked regarding the rubella immunity status. If you are non-immune, the vaccine will be given to you so that the rubella infection can be prevented in the pregnancy. All these help in better formation of the baby to avoid congenital abnormalities of the baby and helps in preventing the miscarriages and prevent the preterm labors and improves the outcome of the baby. So, when should we do it? It's ideally to be done 3 to 6 months before planning the pregnancy, so that any modifiable risk factors we can change over. If needed, we can give the rubella vaccine, and the lifestyle modifications can help, and you can start on folic acid to prevent the neural tube defects. All the best. Love you to see you all in the pre-pregnancy counseling check. Bye-bye.